Is it possible? Oh, should I wait? It's all right, man. It's 9 a.m. Is it possible to change one's life with design? What turns a house into a home? These are questions I ask myself every day. I'm Dan Currier. I'm a designer, a real estate agent, a husband, and a dad. And I can tell you, design's changed my life, and I know it can change yours. For the last decade, I have spent my time doing everything from a small room makeover to multi-million-dollar renovations to even commercial spaces. However, I've made a load of mistakes along the way. I'm gonna show you the good, the bad, and the ugly of the design and renovation process. So join along, subscribe below, and you and I can learn some things together and have some fun and create some design that fits you. Or you can just watch
my descent into madness.
But either way, I plan on making this house a home again. Sorry. I know.